Slow. Come on, slow.
Look. Back to the ball game. Possession natin mapupunta sa aces. Start of the fourth quarter. Borja. Setting the play for the aces. Pass to Aurelia. Back to Bora. Bora. To the middle. Aurelia from downtown. Hindi pumasok. Rebound for the Rangers. Nakambakal to Padilla. Back to Nakambakal. Fakes. Nakambakal flow. Kasi kita hindi pumasok. Rebound ng Aurelia. Aurelia to Espino. Espino to Borja. Back to Espino. Espino from outside. Hindi pumasok. Offensive rebound by Aurelia. Attack. By the Rangers. Espino. Hindi pumasok. One point game na ito. Bahen. Espino. Leading the fast break. Lays it up. Hindi pumasok. Padilla. Guarded by Espino. Crosses over. Ikaw lang ba Espino? Espino. Gawin sa pagbuhan. Lays it up. Hindi pa na pumasok. For that time, nakambakan. Padilla. Dalawang isip na kapitan. Aurelia. Leading the break. Padilla. Baseline. Number 17. First free throw, no good. Substitutions. Alegria in, Aurelia out. Time remaining sa ating game, 8 minutes. All 43. Another deadlock. Pangalawang deadlock na natin ito. Pagkatingin na ng Bahen. Padilla. Floater. Hindi pumasok. Rebound. May Bora. Foul. Number 6. Second personal foul. Second team foul na rin. Drives. Wala ang bola. Pero mau-over ni Borja. Bakit kaya? To Rodriguez. Outside shot. And it goes in. 3 points. Rodriguez. Nakambangan. Guarded by Alegria. Bahen. Back to Padilla. Area is to shoot. Bahen. 2-point jumper. Lamang na ang G-Save Aces. Ball nila. Play led by Borja. Borja drives. Last touch by Green. Sabi ng Green. Rodriguez. Grabe din.
Yeah. Bola, bola.
Bakit? Ready to play. Para sa Rangers. Chance. Para lumamang. Guarded by Alegria. Ito Padilla. Padilla. Attempts. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha niya pa ng offensive rebound. Back to Bahen. Ito Lakambakan. Lakambakan. Hindi pumasok. Back to rebound. Kay Bola. Lamig. Pinapunta. Bola ng aces, Lucky Am. 15 seconds, shot clock. Jumper sa gitna, niluwa. Rebound by Lani. Back to Bahen. Lamang na dito, ang G-Forest Rangers. Bahen, from downtown. And it counts 3 points for number 17. Susubukang bumawi. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Larry. Five minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Timeout. Aces. So na lang po timeout ng Aces. Timeout remaining is Rangers. 2 timeouts pa. Medyo malayo pa sa pwede. De La Cruz to Bahen for 3. Guarded by Bahen. Guarded by De La Cruz. Crosses over. Raise it up. Hindi pumasok. Bahen. Dati naman may bounce pass to Padilla. Outside pass natin. Stolen. By Espino. Espino. Leading the pass break. Raise it up.
Bola ka.
Ilagan. Bola na ako ni Ang. Stops and pass. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ng Ilagan. Ilagan. Ng Padilla. Panto de la Cruz. 15-second shot clock. Bola na kay Padilla. Padilla naghanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay San Pablo. Balik kay Padilla. Guarded by Ang. 5 to shoot. Bahen. From downtown. Oh! Rodriguez with the three, hindi pumasok. Binubay sa Pablo. Bahen. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Back to De La Cruz. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Bahen. Bahen to San Pablo. Hindi pumasok. Boarding. Rebound by Rodriguez. Wala na pong timeout ang GC Aces. Score natin, 53-46. Oras natin, 3 minutes 18 seconds. 7-point advantage ng Team Forest Rangers. Pag-time out mo, pwede tayo mag-sub. To Aurelia. Pastor Rodriguez back to Aurelia. To Espino. Espino. Up na lang. De La Cruz. To Lakambara. To San Pablo. Guarded by Ann. San Pablo to De La Cruz. To Padilla. Inside pass.
Wala kang penalty. Wala kang penalty.
Number 17. Third personal foul. And second team foul. Guarded by Am. Tulak ang bakal. Fix. Bakal, floater. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Ilaga. Rebound ulit. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Chance to score para sa Aces. Am. Pwede na lang. Jenny layout brought us by Jacob Am. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. 53-51. Lakambak. Supadilla. San Pablo. Nagkakapigan doon.
Attack. Execute.
One possession under Team Forest Rangers. 10 seconds shot clock. Supadilla. To De La Cruz. Last 2 minutes. Rebound by Borja. Leading the pace. Gamit. Screen by Aurelia. To Espino. Espino from downtown. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Padilla. Padilla. Setting up the play. Para sa Rangers. Screen by Ilagan. 12 seconds to shoot. Padilla. Yang papasahan. Created De La Cruz from downtown. Short. Nakakuha ni Bora. Aurelia. Aurelia to Am. Leading the attack. Dredge to the paint. Rapas to Aurelia. And it goes to two. Nice powerful combination from GC Aces. Score natin. 53 all. Another deadlock. Third deadlock ng ating laro. With 1 minute, 8 seconds to play. Napakagandang laban. Welcome again sa ating GD Bigs 2024 Quarterfinals Game 3. Kung sino pa namin dito ang advance sa series. Back to the ball game na po. May isa pang timeout ang Rangers. Ang Aces, wala na. Both teams, wala po ng penalty. In on bahin, Padilla. Pass to Banan. 30 seconds to shoot. San Pablo. Drives. Trapas to Lali. 3 seconds. Violation. Turnover para sa Rangers. Ball possession. Mapupunta sa Aces. Ang ulit ang magsisipin play para sa GC Aces. Time to shoot.
Backdoor.
Screen by Borla. Inside pass nakapit. Lami to Padilla. Padilla to San Pablo. Tuloy sa gitna. Last touch ng blue. Cavite. 16 seconds shot clock at 38.5 game clock. Padilla. Tumahin. Back to Padilla. To Ilagan. Ilagan in the air. 2 points. From number 6. Shot clock is turned off. Last 28 seconds. 10 seconds.
Stress.
Rebound.
3!
What a game! Ganda ng game.